Cardiac arrest can strike without warning, affecting people of all ages and all fitness levels. The Powerheart G5 automated external defibrillator from ZOLL is a powerful solution to help improve the chances that an SCA victim will survive. Let's go through the steps of a rescue to demonstrate some of the G5's key features.
Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest.
The G5 automatically starts working as soon as the lid is opened. There's no power button to press. This helps ensure a fast start to the rescue.
Remove the white square package from lid of AED. Tear open white package across dotted line. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic.
Rescue Coach user-paced voice and text prompts to guide users step-by-step through the rescue process. The AED recognizes actions taken and ensures that the rescuer completes every critical task before moving on to the next. The G5's non-polarized electrode pads allow for fast, easy placement in either position on the patient's chest. Once the pads are in place, the G5 will quickly analyze the patient's heart rhythm and determine if a shock is required.
Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Remove green square package from lid of AED. Tear open green package and remove CPR device. Place CPR device on center of patient's chest between nipples. Place heel of one hand on CPR device. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight.
The G5 also helps rescuers of all skill levels perform high-quality CPR compressions.
Press, 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 press harder and fully release.
Real-time guideline-driven feedback technology guides rescuers on optimal rate and depth of chest compressions through voice, text, and visual prompts that help ensure the delivery of high-quality CPR. The G5 has several other unique features that help make rescues simple and effective, including dual language capabilities. With a touch of a button, CPR instruction, ICPR corrections, and AED prompts can quickly switch from the primary language to a pre-programmed alternate language without delaying the rescue. The G5 also regularly conducts an in-depth series of automatic self-tests to ensure its battery, pads, and critical internal circuitry are rescue-ready at all times. The Powerheart G5 AED with Intellisense CPR from ZOLL provides real-time guideline-driven CPR feedback to ensure delivery of high-quality compressions. One-button dual-language functionality and comprehensive self-testing give rescuers the confidence to act. For more information on the Powerheart G5 AED, visit ZOLL.com.